How to move a message to spam on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can move a message on Messenger to spams and blocked. Now, to do so is quite simple. First, what you want to do is open up the Messenger app and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll get an interface like this where you'll find all your chats here. Now, to move a message to spam, what you want to do is first tap and hold on the message that you want to move to spam, and then you'll find the option to restrict just above the block option. There you can see the restrict option. Simply tap on restrict and you can read here, move the chat out of sight, removes the conversation from your chat list. So you want to get messages, notifications, hide your activity or hide their activity as well, and then you can unrestrict them or you can remove them from spams and blocks at any time. So what you want to do is simply tap on restrict and you can see the message has been moved and you won't find it anymore and you won't get the message notifications as well. So this way you can move a message to spam on Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.